Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the dark mode on the TikTok app. It's very easy, very simple, and you want to make sure that you have your setup on your own device as a theme, meaning what kind of theme do you have on your phone currently? Do you have a light or dark theme? Because now I'm gonna show you why this makes so much difference. Now click on the lower right corner. Go on your landing page on your account, then click on the upper right where you see the three straight lines. Now you want to click on settings and privacy. Now you want to scroll down to the section display. You want to click on display and then you can start shifting the colors or the themes. What I meant by saying that you need to change the actual default theme on your phone is because there is a small section underneath that it says use device settings. When I click on this, I will get the dark theme simply because my phone currently has a dark theme as a default. So the app TikTok will match my phone's theme. Very easy, very smart. And like I said guys, it's just a couple of clicks. For more tips like this guys, subscribe and like this video.